So let's practice some more questions using the same triangle that will help us link our mass with the number of moles of the substance together with the molar mass. So just check which one you are wanting. If you want this one, you will multiply these two together. If you want this one, you will divide this one by this one. And if you want this one, you will divide this one by this one. If you want the mass, multiply the number of moles by the molar mass. And if you are looking for the number of moles, you have to divide the mass by the molar mass. And if you are looking for the molar mass, you have to divide the mass by the number of moles. You divide, and here multiply. What is the mass? So he's looking for this one, multiply these two together. What is the mass of 2 moles of magnesium? And you have the molar mass. The number of moles is 2, so put here 2. And the molar mass is 24, so you have 48 grams. So 2 moles of magnesium weighs 48 grams. The correct answer is C. So let's see the next question. Here, what does he want to find this time? This time he is asking to find the number of moles. The same triangle. Here I want to find moles. To find N, or number of moles, divide the mass by the molar mass. You have 70 grams of chlorine. You have 70 grams of chlorine. Let's have a look. Chlorine exists as Cl2 molecules. So the molar mass will not be 35. The molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of molecules of chlorine is made from 2 atoms, Cl linked to another Cl. Every one of them is 35. So it's 35 multiplied by 2. So I have 70 grams for every mole of molecules. The number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. So mass is 70. Molar mass is 35 multiplied by 2 is 2, so 70. So I have 1 mole of chlorine molecules. If you were asked about chlorine atoms, you need to multiply this number by 2. So I have 2 moles of chlorine atoms. Why? Because 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 moles. But here I'm not asked about atoms. Be careful, I'm asked about moles of chlorine Cl2. The last question that we will have here is to identify the molar mass this time. Which of the following is the molar mass of calcium? So let's see. If you want to find the molar mass, so divide the mass by the number of moles. Mass is equal to, which of the following is the molar mass of calcium? Look at the periodic table. So I need to find the molar mass of calcium. I don't need to use any of this. I just need to look at the periodic table. So I don't need this at all. It's just looking for periodic table and find the molar mass. Our mass of 1 mole of calcium is 40 grams per mole. And that's the answer. And that's the answer. No need for any calculations for this one. The situation will be a little bit different if I'm giving the mass of the substance and the number of moles I'm asked for the molar mass. Now here I don't know what is the substance to look it up in the periodic table, but I know that the molar mass can be found from the same triangle. So just divide the mass by the number of moles. So what is the mass? The mass is 70 grams, and divide this by the number of moles, which is 2 moles. So you will get 35. That's the required molar mass grams per mole. So if you did 70 grams, this is the same thing. I'm just showing the equation. Divided means 1 over 2 per mole. So the unit should be grams per mole. Grams per mole. This is the same thing. I'm just showing you how the units are arranging correctly. That's it. I'll be leaving you with a practice worksheet so you can have more questions, and try also the past paper related questions so that you will excel in this part.